Hi, thanks for coming back. I actually need your help with something. Look, I have a quick survey for you. For how long have you lived in your town? In my case, I have lived in my town for 9 years. That means this year is 2026, so I have lived in my town since 2017. Same idea, different way to express it. Let me ask you another one. For how long have you studied English? In my case, I have studied English for 5 years. Or I can say, I have studied English since 2021. One more. For how long have you exercised regularly? Well, I have exercised for 3 months. Or I have exercised since January. So, what's happening here? Welcome to ABT. Today we're going to understand how to use for and since in present perfect. Let's make it simple. We use both to talk about time, but in different ways. For is used to talk about a period of time. How long? For example, for 2 years, for 3 months, for a long time. Since is used to talk about the starting point, when it started. For example, since 2020, since January, since I was a child. So remember, for duration, since starting point. Let's see some examples. I have written in my journal for 2 years. I have written in my journal since 2024. Same idea, different way to express time. We have done exercise for 6 months. We have done exercise since March. She has studied biology for 3 years. She has studied biology since 2022. They have tried new techniques for a long time. They have tried new techniques since last year. Now it's your turn. Let's see what you can do. Choose for or since. Think, are we talking about duration or starting point? I have studied English 5 years. Answer, for. She has practiced swimming 2021. Answer, since. We have worked on this project 2 months. Answer, for. He has lived here January. Answer, since. We hope this helped you understand the difference. And if not, that's okay. You can watch this video as many times as you need. And if you think this can help someone else, share this video. Let's help more people learn English together. If you need help, leave a megaphone emoji in the comments. We'll be there to guide you. If you want more content, you can click here or here. That one looks interesting. Keep learning with ABT.